Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tira Wardani and I'm from State Islamic Institute Palopo. Before I start, I want to say thank you to my senior in campus, namely is Siti Rauda Salwi, has allowed to me presentation her thesis under the title analyzing compound sentence errors made by student in 8th semester at IAIN Palopo. This is my final from my lecture in the campus. Final project from Academy Presentation Skill. Okay, next. This is picture, introduction, background. A common mistake made by student in compound sentence with the title Analyzing Mistake of Compound Sentence made by student in the 8th semester at IAIN Palopo. Okay, next. Scope of problems. To clarify the problem scope of this research, focus on analyzing compounds sentence error in conjunction and function section. Conjunction only focus on coordinate, conjunction, and conjunctive adverb, while for function only on the utilization of comma and semicolon. Okay, next, objective of the research. Find some mistake of student who make a total mistake in grammar categories consisting of addition, omission, substitution, and reservation, and use several techniques to find the mistake of the student. Okay, next, can you see this is a picture about theoretical framework? Okay, review of related research. Compound sentence offer the opportunity to express student ideas in clear and correct writing. In addition, compound sentence also make it easier for readers to understand student message, because compound sentence make a writing rich and colorful, and how to use a compound sentence correctly. Okay, next, the concept 3, the concept of sentence, part of sentence, type of sentence. Okay, next, the concept of conjunction. There is 4 points about the concept of conjunction. The first is coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlating coordinators, and conjunctive adverbs. Coordinating conjunction are used to link two clauses of phrases of equal status. There are only a small number of coordinating conjunction in English. Most sources repeat what others say and list the following 7 using the convenience acronym fanboys. Subordinating conjunction are used to link two clauses within a single sentence when one clause is subordinate to the other. In other words, the subordinate clauses clarifies, expand, or explain the meaning of the main clause. Correlating coordinators. Okay, this can either correct words or phrases or clauses sentence the main example, but and not only but also combining correlators either or whether or not. This is about a binary choice correlators, and neither nor about negative correlators. Okay, next, this is a picture about conceptual framework. There is structural about conceptual framework. The first is English student in 8th semester at IAIN Palopo. Next, give the student a compound sentence test, and then identify and classify the errors of compound sentence test. Next, analyze the student errors. There is omission, addiction, misformation, misordering, and last kinds of errors in compound sentence. Next, research method, research design. In this study, research use a qualitative descriptive method. This method is used to find out what kind of mistakes students usually make in the 8th semester at IAIN Palopo. In the first, the researchers gave a written test to students majoring in English in the 8th semester at IAIN Palopo. Secondly, the researchers identified errors of compounds sentence made by students. Third, research describe and classify data. Finally, the research interprets the data and concludes the result of study. Okay, next, research variable. This research deals with English students in 8th semester at IAIN Palopo, Street Agatis, Kecamatan Bara, Palopo City. The research used a simple random sampling technique to guide participants. It caused the population in this research was homogeneous student at 8th semester. The participant was taken randomly from 4 classes such as A, B, C, and D, including 20 students. Namely 5 students of every single class in order to get representative data. About population, this thesis about 8th semester English student and sample class A, B, and A, B, C, and D, each 5 people, and a total of 20 people in the class of 2013. Next, about research instrument. Okay, the instrument used in this research was compound sentence writing test. The test is focused on coordinate conjunction, coordinative conjunction, comma, and semicolon function. Okay, next, data collecting method. The first, the research prepared the instrument of the test. The second, the research distributes the test papers to all participants. After the student finishes the research, collect the paper and analysis it based on Carl James, producer of errors analysis. They are errors, detection, locating errors, description errors, classification errors, and counting errors. Okay, next, this is about data analysis technique. This is about a picture. This is a picture about this data. Can see and understand. This is the last about my presentation thesis from my senior, and I say thank you. And research is form of caring that can achieve that. Whatever the outcome, I hope these research can provide benefits to various parties to help students. Disciplinary problems, especially the problem of discipline. Learning is learning in basic education, because I believe the research carried out correctly until completion will continue to make a positive contribution, but theoretically and practically. Thank you to watching this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.